If you're looking for something cute and delightful for yourself, for your kids, or even for your home, check out my new pretty clay dolls that will add a touch of warmth and sparkle to your day. These lovely flat-back figurines are the perfect fit for bow centerpieces, fridge magnets, charms and necklaces, Christmas decorations, wall ornaments, or simply use them to transform anything ordinary looking into something quaint and charming. They even make the most perfect little gifts for children as well. Each clay dolly is personally handmade with love by Hailary, with impeccable attention to detail. You can find your doll for any occasion, whether it be Christmas or Halloween, or adorable dollies based on beloved movie characters such as Anna, Elsa and Olaf from Frozen, your favourite Disney princesses like Snow White, Cinderella, Little Mermaid, cute cats, Care Bears, you name it. I can create anything you imagine, including custom orders. Whatever you like, the sky's the limit. Come to Hailary Arts Etsy Store and prepare to welcome your very own clay dolly into your life.